Now, from Arkansas's news and high-definition leader, THV, first in HD. This is today's THV at 6.
All eyes are on Japan as the nuclear crisis there continues to unfold, but for those dealing most costly with it, a form of protection is under development right here in Arkansas.
Researchers at UAMS may have found what they say is a safe and effective radiation treatment. THV's Lisa Hudson has this story.
Japan's nuclear crisis has exposed dozens of its crisis workers to airborne radiation. Potassium iodine is one source of treatment for exposure. It's not a fix-all, but researchers at UAMS say they may have found one.
It's something we got into about 5 years ago.
Dr. Martin Hauer-Jensen, director of radiation health at UAMS, in conjunction with the U.S. Armed Forces Radiobiology Research Institute, have found a form of vitamin E may help protect against high levels of radiation exposure.
With gamma tocotrienol, which is basically a super vitamin E, mice who receive a radiation dose that will kill 100% within 2 weeks of exposure, you convert all of them to long-term survivors.
The potent form of vitamin E provides a number of other beneficial effects, but Dr. Hauer-Jensen says its protection from radiation exposure is groundbreaking.
The two main organs that determine if somebody lives or dies after exposure to radiation are the bone marrow and the intestine. And we have found that gamma tocotrienol protects in both organ systems.
Dr. Hauer-Jensen says the finding could open up business opportunities for Arkansas.
Where gamma tocotrienol is found, it's mainly in palm oil, which we don't have palm trees here, but it's also in rice bran oil. And we are the capital of the United States in terms of rice production, and the rice bran is currently not used for high-level processing.
A win-win. New product manufacturing that in turn could create jobs. For those in harm's way, a super vitamin that could save lives. In Little Rock, Lisa Hudson, today's THV.
Approval and funding for advanced development studies on the vitamin are pending.
From there, it will go to the FDA for approval.
Okay.